Welcome back to the shop. In this vlog, we're taking you behind the scenes for a full vehicle wrap, from concept to final reveal. If you've ever wondered how a car becomes a moving billboard, you're about to see the entire process. Corners, curves, door seams, making the right cuts. These are all true tests of craftsmanship. Now that the design is locked in, we move on to printing. We use high performance cast vinyl and UV protective laminate. We always install panel by panel, matching seams and using heat every now and then to help conform the vinyl into the curves and crevices. We get asked all the time, how do you design a vehicle wrap? What if the vinyl peels? How do you design around curves? Today, we're going to show you how it works. We asked the client, where will you be working most often? What are the colors that are overused in your industry? What would be something unique that would be sticky for your branding to stay in people's minds? We use these questions to guide our design and decision on how we wrap the vehicle. And I'm the owner of High Stakes Creative. We are talking about bad ideas for your branding. This is going to be part 1 of 7. I'm going to start with probably the most hot button item, and I know I'm going to get a lot of hate on this. QR codes. I know, they're everywhere, and every business owner thinks they need a QR code on the back of their van or work truck, and you just don't, provided that you have good branding. And that's kind of the whole point of this 7-point series. If you've got good branding, you don't need a QR code. The only reason you would have a QR code on your vehicle is if you don't trust the branding to be sticky in your potential clients' minds. And what I mean by that is, are they going to remember it? Is it going to stick in their brain when they get back to the office, or they get back to the shop, or they get back to the work site on Monday morning and they saw your truck on Saturday? Did it stick in their head? Are they going to remember you? And sticky branding is going to be the name of a company that communicates who you are and what you do immediately. Colors that are unique to the brand and to the industry. A good example of that's going to be HVAC companies that have blue and red, a snowflake or a flame. It's played out, it's everywhere, and it blends in, and it's not memorable, it's not sticky. If you've got a good font, you've got good colors, you've got a great logo and maybe a mascot, you've created a sticky brand that's going to live with those potential clients into the evening, the next day, the next week. When they need you, they're going to remember you because you stuck in their brain. If you don't have sticky branding, you probably need a QR code. And if you need a QR code, you need to come talk to High Stakes. We'd love to hear from you and your company and help you formulate that sticky branding. Stay tuned. The next video is going to be not quite as controversial, I'm sure, but part 2 is coming up on bad ideas for your vehicle wrap.